In this video shall be doing 10 lines on Republic Day. 1. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26th every year with great zeal. 2. It is the national festival of India and a national holiday. 3. On January 26, 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect. 4. Indian Constitution give us our fundamental rights like freedom of speech, education, religion, and more. 5. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar is known as the architect of Indian Constitution. 6. On this day the President of India hoists the national flag at Rajpathi, New Delhi. 7. The celebration is followed by a huge parade and distribution of bravery awards. 8. In schools and colleges, many cultural events like dance, music, sports etc. are organized and sweets are distributed. 9. On this day, people also pay tribute to the freedom fighters. On this day let us pledge to be a responsible citizen of India.